welcome students, distinguished guests, faculty, President Corcoran, our friends and family watching at home. Please be seated. It is a pleasure to welcome you to Illinois Valley Community College Nursing Pinning Ceremony, honoring the graduates from 2020 and 2021. My name is Dr. Jennifer Grobe, and I'm the Director of Nursing Programs here at Illinois Valley. It is with a great deal of excitement that I welcome you to campus. Today is a testament of your perseverance through nursing school. Today we celebrate your academic accomplishments. You've taken over 100 exams, documented vital signs and patient assessments on more than 200 patients, provided care for 384 hours of clinical experiences, and studied for nearly 4,000 hours to reach this point. You've missed nights out with your friends, birthday parties, dinners with your families, trips, school events, games, and TV shows. While your friends are all caught up on the latest Netflix series, you don't even remember your password, and your remote is collecting dust. Your hard work and dedication to your studies has paid off tenfold. Today, you are walking these halls as a graduate nurse. Your sacrifices do not go unnoticed. While you have missed out over the last 2 years or more, your family's been by your side supporting you. Your friends have been patiently waiting for this day, this moment, to help you celebrate. Today, you can take all of those long hours and hard work, and you can cash them in for a pin. This pin signifies the education of those nurses who have come before you on this journey. Through passion for serving others, those nurses persevered just like you to learn the safest way to care for the needs of others. From the time of the Crusades in the 12th century, when monks cared for the injured, to the Crimean War, when Florence Nightingale represented the compassion and intelligence needed to heal the sick and care for the wounded, to the current global pandemic, nurses have led the world in public service. We are the most trusted profession, caring for all and protecting human rights while upholding the values and ethics of this profession. I would like to personally thank each and every one of you who volunteered your time outside of your class to help vaccinate the public through the Public Health Department's COVID vaccine clinics. Your willingness to serve the public through this great service should be recognized. I'll leave you with this. Maya Angelou said, "They may forget your name, but they will never forget how you made them feel." I ask you to enter the healthcare profession today as the keeper of Florence Nightingale's sacred promise to care for those who cannot help themselves. Be a force to be reckoned with. Be a change for good. Be a leader. Be a helper. Be a nurse. Thank you. Please help me welcome Dr. Corcoran to the podium.
Morning, everybody. Thank you, Dr. Grove. You're doing an excellent job as our Director of Nursing, and I'm very proud of you. As I've told my friends and colleagues in the past, the IVCC Nurse Pinning Ceremony holds a special place in my heart because my mother, who passed away in 2011 at the age of 97, was a registered nurse and very proud of her profession. Mom was the oldest of 6 kids, the first to go to college and earn a degree. So if my mother were standing beside me today, and in a sense she is, I'm sure that she would join me in saying congratulations to our nursing students on successfully earning the associate degree of nursing from one of the oldest and most well-respected community colleges in the nation. Congratulations also to the families and friends of our students on your support of our graduates. It's no secret to any of you that our nursing program is the flagship of the college because of its quality and rigor. Our faculty are professionals with very high standards, which is why our graduates do so well on state board exams and why we have so much support across the district from our many healthcare providers. The bottom line is our faculty do a great job, and like you, I'm very proud of them. So please join me in a round of applause for these fine individuals behind me on the stage today. A few other virtual guests that I need to recognize who will be joining us are from the IVCC Board of Trustees, the Board Chair, Everett Solon, Vice Chair, Jay McCracken, Secretary, Angie Stevenson, Trustees, Jane Getz, Dr. Amy Boyles, David Mallory, our newly elected trustee who has a special connection to our nursing program, Dr. Maureen Rebholz, and our excellent student trustee, Madison Miranda. How about a round of applause for the board? On behalf of everyone affiliated with our college, especially our nursing faculty and staff, we are pleased and proud that our nursing students made the wise choice to attend IVCC. All of you have worked so hard to reach this milestone in your life. Now it's the time to honor you for a job well done. We wish you nothing but the very best going forward. This is your special day. Congratulations. Thank you.
I'd like to welcome to the podium Dr. Margie Francisco. She is going to discuss today the Alpha Delta Nu presentation and all that the rights and records are rewarded with that degree. Thank you, Margie.
As a faculty advisor for the Beta chapter of Alpha Delta Nu Nursing Honor Society, I would like to take this time to recognize members from the class of 2020 who were virtually inducted last spring, and those members of the class of 2021 who were recently inducted. To be eligible for this National Honor Society, students must attain a 3.0 GPA for all nursing courses, complete a capstone project, and display professional character. I would like to recognize ADN participants who are here today. When I call your name, please stand and remain standing till all names are called. Please hold your applause till the end when we can collectively recognize these students. From the class of 2020, Abby Kutra. From the class of 2021, Alexis Bennett, Megan Bellelli, Noemi Gonzalez, Crystal Hansen, Deborah Johnson, Abby Libby, Michelle Martinitis, and Nikki Timmons. Congratulations. I'd like to introduce Laura Hodgson, who is going to present the class.
Thank you, Dr. Francisco. It's my honor to do the presentation of the class. Class of 2020 Practical Nurse Certificate. Abby Mills, pinning her mother, Sarah Hudson. Class of 2020 Associate Degree, Carly Carey, mother, Lori Carey. Abby Coutre, being pinned by her mother, Beth Coutre. Wendy Foreman, being pinned by her mother, Carol Bloom. Shelby Hale, being pinned by her mother, Tammy Greenfield. Danny Hickey, being pinned by her significant other, Larry Raymer. Elizabeth Hurlbut, being pinned by her husband, James Hurlbut. Kaylee Shomas, being pinned by her mother, Brenda Shomas. Jerica Tarman, being pinned by her father, Eric Tarman. Class of 2021 Associate Degree, Anna Aldred, being pinned by her cousin, Misty Lindau. Samantha Anseth, being pinned by her fiancé, Justin Day. Carson Baca, being pinned by her mother, Tricia Baca. Tiffany Bardell, being pinned by her mother, Patty Bardell. Kate Barraza, being pinned by her mother, Lynn Williams. Chanda Baxter, being pinned by her husband, Brad Baxter. Trupti Begley, being pinned by her mother, Jaya Patel. Alexis Bennett, being pinned by her mother, Tina Bennett. Megan Bolelli, being pinned by her mother, Christina Bolelli. Cassandra Brewer, being pinned by her mother, Tara Brewer. Savannah Carrillo, being pinned by her grandmother, Marcia Carrillo. Itzel Corona, being pinned by her mother, Victoria Artiega. Christy Ann Curry, being pinned by her friend, Tiffany Woodruff. Erica DePaz, being pinned by her mother, Veronica Tunget. Caitlin Drenner, being pinned by her father, James Drenner. Janelle Fletcher, being pinned by her fiancé, Robert Powers. Constant Flick, being pinned by her fiancé, Ronald Bertolot. Alexis Fuller, being pinned by her mother, Penny Fuller. Noemi Gonzalez, being pinned by her father, Juan Gonzalez. Madison Green, being pinned by her mother, Tiffany Green. Lisa Hansen, being pinned by her significant other, Carl Persky. Crystal Hansen being pinned by her mother, Jenny Johnson. Ashlyn, I heard that over there. She said, I don't want to do this. Ashlyn Harmon Brown being pinned by her fiance, Blake Sticken. I have mother hearing. Melissa Hubbard being pinned by her husband, Tom Hubbard. Deborah Johnson being pinned by her fiance, Cody Trosclair. April Jordan being pinned by her wife, Megan Jordan. Christy Cuteman being pinned by her father, Keith Cuteman. Christy Leal being pinned by her grandfather, Alan Stone. Abby Libby being pinned by her significant other, Alex Pruce. Ina Makarskia being pinned by her husband, David Kiskevich. Kylie Marco being pinned by her fiance, Kyle Mullenberg. Michelle Martinitis being pinned by her husband, Randy Martinitis. Hannah McCormick being pinned by her grandfather, Thaddeus Grandis. Allison McMichael being pinned by her mother, Dina McMichael. Mercedes Melgarejo being pinned by her mother, Emily. Olivia Morris being pinned by her mother, Shelley Abel. Krista Nauman being pinned by her sister, Kayla Nauman. Haley O'Brien being pinned by her daughter, Rachel O'Brien. Gabriela Rodriguez being pinned by her son, Alex Lopez. Do you think she wasn't going to embarrass you?
I know, he's like,
Rachel Rupert being pinned by her daughter, Avery Rupert. Mackenzie Skaggs being pinned by her significant other, Philip Hedges. Megan Stiles Ford being pinned by her father, Chuck Stiles. Erica Schwartzmiller being pinned by her daughter, Peyton Schwartzmiller. Sydney Thompson being pinned by her husband, Kyle Thompson. Nikki Timmons being pinned by her fiancé, John Gibson. Harley Young being pinned by her fiancé, Andrew Hibbing. How about a round of applause? We are now going to do the lighting of the candles. Okay. Ready for your nursing pledge? This is the real thing, no practice. As
Thank you for joining us today to honor our nursing graduates. You would not be here today if it weren't for your nursing instructors. Their guiding hands, encouraging words, and carefully scripted exams have brought you to this day. They will continue to be by your side as you enter this sacred profession. I know there is nothing like the feeling of working alongside those who you trust and respect. Today, you join the ranks of the professionals you see on this stage. As you move on in your pursuits, so do 4 nursing instructors. Today, I would like to take a moment to honor the accomplishments of some of the nursing faculty members who've retired or are soon to retire from Illinois Valley Community College. To date, these 4 women represent 111 years of combined service to the college. Their wisdom and passion for nursing are unmatched. Please help me recognize Mrs. Julie Hogue, Mrs. Pam Amano, Dr. Deb Pumo, and Mrs. Laura Hodgson. A plaque in their honor will be placed in the nursing lab to recognize their service to the college and to the profession of nursing. Thank you and good luck on your journey. Congratulations.